plus finally that is area of the square HBFI. Fourth figure area is of A is equals to B into B, that is B square. So here on the right hand side, AB and AB are of like terms, so AB's coefficient is of 1 and here AB's coefficient is also of 1. So we can write it as, that implies A plus B whole square is equals to A square. We can add up these two like terms, AB and AB. So here plus of plus is plus, we have to add up the coefficients. 1 plus 1 is of 2 AB's, but both are of same signs, so here we can write the sign as plus. Then now plus B square, that is the last term, must be copied as it is. So here in this manner, hence A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square is the second identity which we have proved so geometrically. So now let us perform example, that is the example number 1 under this identity. Simplify. One by 4x square plus 2 by 3 y square but whole square. Now the solution starts now. So here 1 by 4x square plus 2 by 3 y square is given for us, whole to the power of 2. Here this is similar to the identity A plus B whole square. So in the place of A, there is of the first term, that is 1 by 4x square, and similarly B replaced by means of 2 by 3 y square. So here that is whole square. So we can utilize, but we know that as per the identity number 2, that is A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square we can find out the expanded form of 1 by 4x square plus 2 by 3 y square whole square. So here 1 by 4x square plus 2 by 3 y square but whole square. By comparing the terms, here by comparing we get A as A must be replaced by means of 1 by 4x square and B must be replaced by 2 by 3 y square. Then the right hand side will be of A square. A is of 1 by 4x square, but it must be squared since it is A square, plus 2 into A into B. So 2 into A value is of again 1 by 4x square into B is of 2 by 3 y square plus B square. B is of 2 by 3 y square, but it must be squared. So here we can cancel 2 ones and the 2 2's in the denominator and 2 ones and 2 ones in the numerator. So that is equals to square is applicable for both numerator and denominator and as well as this x square term. So here 1 is repeated twice, 1 into 1 is of 1 divided by 4 repeated twice, repeatedly multiplied twice, 4 square is of 4 4s are 16. Square is applicable for even x square and whole square plus x square into y square is nothing but x square y square, 1s is nothing but x square y square in the numerator, overall divided by just 3 is left over, plus so square is applicable for both numerator and denominator. 2 square, 2 2's is of 4 divided by 3 square, 3 3's is of 9, and even square is applicable for y square also, that is y square whole to the power of 2 written as it is. Then that implies So here x square whole square a power m whole power n can be written as a power m into n. Here also we can utilize the same identity, so that is a power m whole power n, that is a power m into n, y to the power of 2 bracket 2, that is y to the power of 2 into 2 is 4. So here the next step, utilizing that identity here, so here the next logical step will be of, that implies, so 1 by 16, that is x to the power of 2 into 2, a power m into n, 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. So x to the power of 4 we will be getting as here in this case. So x to the power of 4 plus the x square y square overall divided by 3 must be written as it is the middle term, plus then the next term will be of 4 by 9 a power m whole power n type, a power m into n, 2 into 2 is of 4, y to the power of 4, that is 4 y to the power of 4 by 9, 4 y to the power of 4 by 9. So here in both the cases I have utilized the identity, that is a power m whole power n equals to a power m into n, that is mn. So in this manner I have utilized, so here this identity which is nothing but a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn in order to get this logical step. So in this manner, so I got, so here hence 1 by 4x square plus 2 by 3y square whole square is equals to 1 by 16 x power 4 plus x square y square overall divided by 3 plus 4 y to the power of 4 divided by 9. In the similar manner, let us perform, say, one more example, that is example number 2, which is nothing but find the value of .5 whole square by using identity. Without multiplying 50.5 into 50.5, or in other words 50.5 repeatedly multiplied twice, so we must get the value of 50.5 whole square by utilizing this identity, that is identity number 2, which is nothing but the a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then now the solution starts. Here 50.5 whole square is given for us, we have to find out its value. So here, but we know that so here a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square here 50.5 whole square can be written as this 50.5, or that implies 50.5 whole square can be written as 50 plus 0.5 whole square. 50 plus 0 is of 50, that is 0.5, 50.5 whole square. So I have splitted 50.5 as 50 plus 0.5 whole square. Then that implies 50 plus 0.5 whole square, or else 50 plus 0.5. So in our addition, 0 plus 5 is of 5, 0 plus 0 is of 0. Then now let us copy this 5 as it is, that is 50.5. So here 50.5 can be written as 50, that is we can struck off 0, 50 plus 0.5. Say here in this manner. The latter, so that is equals to, so by comparing, a must be replaced by 50 and b must be replaced by 0.5. So here at A is equals to 50 and B is equals to 0.5. So here A value is of 50, so 50 whole square plus 2 into A into B, 2 into A value is of 50 into B value is of 0.5, let us write within bracket. This dot indicates into, say this is a decimal, plus B square. So here B is of 0.5 and it must be squared because since it is B square. Then now that is equals to 50 whole square. So here 5 5 is of 25. So 0 double. So here we have to write 2 zeros, or in other words 50 into 50 is of 2500 plus 2 into 50 is of 100 into 0.5 kept as it is. Then plus 0.5 whole square. So 0.5 into 0.5, 5 5 is of 25 because we have to multiply twice. 0.5 into 0.5, that is 0.5 into 0.5. 5 5 is of 25. Since 0.5 into 0.5, so there are of 0.5 into 0.5, whereas here after the decimal there is one digit and here after decimal there is one digit. Overall there are of 2 digits. So after 2 digits we have to place a point, that is 0.25. Then now that is equals to 2500 plus. So here in order to cancel this decimal we have to cancel one 0. So here 0 won't have any value, that is 10 into 5 is of 50. Then now plus 0.25 written as it is. So in order to remove the decimal, after one digit there is a decimal, 1 0 we have to cancel in order to remove the decimal which is after one digit. So here this 0 won't have any value, therefore 10 is left over, here 5 is left over, 10 into 5 is of 50, here 0.25 copied as it is. Then now that is equals to 2500 plus 50 is 2550 plus 0.25. That implies 2550 plus 0.25. So that implies 2550.25. So therefore this is the value. So here hence 50.5 whole square is equals to 2550.25 is the value.